One of the core components of our products is this thread. It transmits the force from the handwheel to the clip to place it in the tissue. Since summer 2023, we have been manufacturing the threads ourselves in this clean room. To ensure that as few particles as possible get in, clothes are changed before entering and everything is thoroughly disinfected. The starting material for the thread is medical yarn, which is delivered to us in lengths of around 36 kilometers each on reels. From these, the yarn must first be transferred onto several spools. To ensure that braiding runs smoothly, very concentrated and careful work is crucial at this point. One of the challenges is that the yarn is very thin, no thicker than a human hair, which requires a lot of care during the entire handling. To load the braiding machine, the yarn is threaded from 16 spools through many small eyelets and brought together at the top. Once more, the result is checked. The two braiding machines work round the clock for a whole week until all the yarn has been braided. At the end of the braiding process, there's about 2 kilometers of braid on each reel. These are cut to size in the next process step. First, the ends are stiffened with heat to prevent the thread from unraveling later. It is then cut to the right length for the final product. Before it is processed further, it is subjected to strict quality controls that check its diameter and tear resistance. The thread is manually attached to the cap, wound up, and becomes part of the finished product. The in-house production of the thread shortens transport distances and reduces packaging waste. In addition, we can react much more flexibly to demand to guarantee the high delivery reliability of our innovative products.